Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets A to Z. Kids class name: red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color. Kids now coloring ABC. Kids first draw A. A for apple. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, the alphabets of A. B. B for ball, B for bat, and again use red color. Kids now C. C for cat, C for car, and again use red color. D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D. Kids now E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use blue color. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids again use blue color and draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids now draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter, the alphabets of H, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and use black color. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use green color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids again use green color and draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids now draw S. S for sun, S for snake, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use blue color. W. W for watch, W for wallet. Kids again use blue color and draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.